Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about getting you started with a fantastic tool for coding, Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. We'll walk you through downloading and installing it on your Windows 10 machine in just a few simple steps. Why Visual Studio Code? Before we dive in, let's talk about why VS Code is so popular. It's free, lightweight, and super customizable. It supports a ton of programming languages and has built-in features like Git integration and debugging tools. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coder, VS Code is a great choice. Downloading Visual Studio Code. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to download the installer. Open up your favorite web browser and head to the official Visual Studio Code download page. You can also find the link in the video description below. On the download page, you'll see a big blue button that says Download for Windows. Click on that button and the download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. The VS Code setup wizard will open. The first screen will be the license agreement. Click Accept. Now, you can choose where to install VS Code. By default, it will be installed in the usual program files location. Click Next to continue. Now we have the Start menu folder. I will leave it as default and click Next. Now, you can choose what additional tasks to be performed. I will select Create a desktop icon and Next. Finally, click the Install button to begin the installation process. It shouldn't take too long. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a Finish button. Click on that to close the setup wizard. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your Windows 10 machine. Now you're ready to start coding. You can customize the interface as you wish by making it darker or lighter. Moreover, you can open the app by double-clicking the desktop icon. You will find now several sections for extensions, Git integration, and more. Also, Visual Studio Code can be opened from the search bar by typing the app's name. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.